오늘의 여제 뜨늦은 자책만 가득한 채
We'll take it slow Baby baby we'll take it slow 같은 꿈 마치 날 부르는 익숙한 노래 마침내 연결돼
감싸주지 나를 Hate is so mate 반복되는 매일도 괜찮다고 깊은 어둠 위를 걸어 저 너머에 숨겨진 진짜를 봐
Open your eyes 조용히 open your eyes
Hello everyone!
Hey yo, ladies and gentlemen! What's up guys? It's K Royalty and I'm back. Sorry. What's up guys? It's K Royalty and I am back today. Welcome to the kingdom for those who are new, and I'm gonna be doing NCT127 Fire Truck Sobangcha.
I'm seriously excited! Like, you guys don't know how excited I am. Like,
I'm really excited. Like, they're gonna be having Yuta debut with this unit, so I'm just like,
go Yuta! Go Yuta! Go Yuta!
but I'm so excited. And they also have Jaehyun, Taeyong, and Mark and Tail from NCT U. I'm so sad that 10 is not in here because he's one of my favorites. And I'm sad that Johnny isn't in it too, but you know what? He's gonna be in the next unit, hopefully. But like, he's gonna debut with NCT, so that's what I'm excited about. I also just came from work, so that's why I'm wearing all black. I usually don't wear this much black, but you know, just got to stay professional. So let's get started. I am super excited, and the new members of NCT127 are Win and Donghyuk, but then his name right now is Haechan or something. Haechan. I don't know. I like Donghyuk better. I don't know about you guys. Like, comment down below if you guys like Donghyuk or Haechan better. I personally like Donghyuk better, but
Let's get it started! Ha! Let's get it started in here!
oh, they look so cool already. No. What is happening? Stop! No. What did they do to my cute Jaehyun? I'm so totally gonna react to the performance video. I want to be in that classroom. Yes, win-win. Flip! Yes! Mark! I kind of hate and love his hair at the same time. 저거? Yeah, 저거. I want to be there. Like, y'all don't know how hot this is right now. Oh, Win looks so cute with that hair. 아, 기분 나쁘게. Oh, is that Donghyuk singing? Yes. Cute singing. What is happening? Dance in the water. Yes. Ain't nobody gonna stop you. Keep doing it. Yes. Yes. Oh, damn. Okay, that got serious too quick. I want to be there so bad. It was so fun. Sobangcha indeed. Was it like illustrating this lady's like whole life or something? Like from when she was a young kid to like when now she's a granny? Like I don't know. They were doing a lot of like throwing water at like in her life. Like at the beginning they were throwing water in like her sandcastle. And then after that it was like at school and then at work and then her home life like with her husband and her child, and then now it's just like I don't know what the hell is going on, but I liked it. Yeah, I really liked it.
Yes, I liked it. I am so excited, you guys. I'm gonna watch this live because now I can do it. So yes.
Alright guys, well that has been my reaction to NCT127 Sobangcha Fire Truck, and I am loving it.
I was totally cool about it, you guys. Like, it was okay. It was okay.
No. What is happening? I hope you guys come back to watch more of my reactions. If you guys haven't already done so, comment, like, and subscribe down below, or just hop back into my channel and just subscribe there and watch all my other videos. I'm also going to be posting 17's what's it called again? Aju nice music video reaction with this video, so give it some love, guys. Some love. Alright, tell all your friends and family about it. Have fun in the kingdom. This has been K Royalty. Peace out, guys.